Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing Laplace transform, effect of division by t, problem number 4. Welcome back friends. Let's discuss problem number 4, that is e raised to minus 2t cos 2t sin 3t upon t. Let us start. First of all, identify the properties given in the problem. This is your division by t, this is your FSP. So without wasting time, forget about this, you are left with what? You are left with the Laplace of cos 2t into sin 3t. Yes. Please tell me how to find Laplace of this particular term. This type of problem we have already solved in type number 1. Can you write it down? Is that Laplace of cos 2t into Laplace of sin 3t? No. Why? Because if there is multiplication in between, we cannot separate Laplace transform. So what needs to be done? We need to adjust with the 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 adjustment, we need to multiply and divide it by 2 so that we can convert this multiplication into either plus or minus. So here it will be 2. Since both the terms are in multiplication, I am writing first sine term, then cos term. Why? Because I am quite comfortable with the formula 2 sine A cos B, and the formula is a sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. I am comfortable with this formula, therefore I am writing first sine term, then I am writing cos term. Obviously, you can keep it as it is and you can apply the formula 2 cos sine. But I am comfortable with this, and both the terms are in multiplication, so obviously you can write down as sine and cos. So let us move on and let us apply the formula 1 upon 2 Laplace of, this will be A and this will be B, 2 sine cos, sine A plus B, sine of 3t plus 2t is 5t plus sine A minus B. 3t minus 2t is t. Now we can separate Laplace transform. Why we applied the formula? Because the problem was with multiplication and we don't want that multiplication. We converted that into plus. Now you can separate. You can write down as Laplace of sine phi t and Laplace of sine t. Laplace of sine phi t is a phi upon s square plus 25 plus Laplace of sine t is a 1 upon s square plus 1. Till now we got Laplace of cos 2t and sin 3t. What next? We need to apply effect of division by t. Let us apply by effect of division by t. In short, I am writing down as ED. Okay, in the exam please write down properly effect of division by t. So here it will be Laplace of cos 2t sin 3t upon t is equal to, what is the Laplace of this term? Cos 2t and sin 3t. Its Laplace is this. We need to take this half also, and because of this t we're going to integrate. So I am taking half outside because any half, this term is a constant that will come out of the integration, and I'm going to write down this term here. So that will be 5 s square plus 25 plus 1 upon s square plus 1. Let us integrate. Yes friends, please tell me which integration formula is applicable here. See, phi upon s square plus 25, directly you can write it down, but we have given you the formula, so therefore let us first convert it into our required formula. Here it's integration. From this term, let's take phi outside, so that will be 1 upon s square plus 25. This is just for the sake of simplification, nothing else. And here we have 1 upon s square plus 1. Yes, now please tell me which formula here and here. Here formula number 3, here formula number 4. Because if you're thinking about formula number 5, in the numerator it must be s. So there is no s in the numerator, therefore formula number 4. Let us move on. This is half this phi. Actually this phi is a constant, so you can take it out of the integration. So I have taken out into formula number 4, 1 upon s square plus a square. This 25 you can write it down as a square. So a will be 5 because a square is 25, a will be phi. 1 upon s square plus a square. What is the formula? 1 upon s square plus a square. 1 upon a tan inverse of x by a. So 1 upon a. This is actually a square, right? So a is square root of this, that is phi. So 1 upon phi tan inverse of s by phi. Next, plus 1 upon s square plus 1. This is very simple. Formula number 3, tan inverse of s. Don't get confused between this s and phi. Please write down properly. Otherwise, this both terms will look like same in the exam and you're going to cancel it. So please write down properly. And so let us move on. This is half cancelled. Upper limit minus lower limit. I'm going to put infinity in both the terms. If I'm going to put infinity here, that will become tan inverse infinity. Infinity upon phi is what? Infinity. And tan inverse infinity, we know that is what? Pi by 2. Plus, next, let us put infinity here. Again, this will become tan inverse infinity. Again, pi by 2. Minus a lower limit. In place of s, we gonna put s. So in place of s, if we put s, that will remain as it is. So this will remain as it is. What next? Let us simplify it further. See here. See it very carefully. What is the formula number 7 that I have given you? Pi by 2 minus tan inverse s is what? Cot inverse s. Right? So see here. This is pi by 2. And if you open this bracket, both the terms are negative. See here. This will be minus tan inverse s by phi and this will be minus tan inverse s. So pi by 2 minus tan inverse s by phi. This pi by 2 with this minus tan inverse s by phi will become, come on, cot inverse, right? So this will be cot inverse s by phi. Plus, next, this pi by 2 with this tan inverse s. Open the bracket, this will become minus tan inverse s. So pi by 2 minus tan inverse s is what? Cot inverse s. If you want, you can further simplify this with the formula cot inverse a plus cot inverse b, but I'm not doing it. We can keep the result as it is. Let us move on. Are we done with it or is there anything left? Let us check. Final finishing touch step, that is what? FSP. It's very simple. Let us apply. By FSP, Laplace of e raised to minus 2t cos 2t sin 3t upon t. Yes, please. So due to this minus 2t, s will be shifted by plus 2. That's it. This half will remain outside as it is and s will become s plus 2. So this will be cot inverse s plus 2 upon phi plus cot inverse s plus 2. That is it. Done with it. Hope you understood. Done with problem number 4. Thank you.